Today, we're going to talk about a tiny but mighty superfood that's gaining popularity worldwide: pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients and offer a wide range of health benefits. So, let's dive in and discover how you can supercharge your health with pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a rich source of magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper, essential minerals for various bodily functions. They're also high in antioxidants and healthy fats, making them an excellent addition to your diet. One of the most significant benefits of pumpkin seeds is their ability to support heart health. The high magnesium content helps regulate blood pressure and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases and stroke. Pumpkin seeds are also a great source of zinc, which plays a crucial role in immune function. This means they can help your body fight off infections and illnesses. The antioxidants in pumpkin seeds have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. This can lead to improved liver, bladder, bowel, and joint function. Some studies suggest that the compounds in pumpkin seeds may be beneficial for prostate health and may help prevent prostate enlargement. Pumpkin seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that can contribute to better sleep and mood regulation. This makes them an excellent addition to your bedtime routine. The high fiber content in pumpkin seeds promotes digestive health and can help with maintaining a healthy weight. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of healthy fats, including essential fatty acids, which are beneficial for brain and eye health. Besides several other benefits, pumpkin seeds help in mood regulation as they contain tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin, a neurotransmitter that contributes to mood regulation and may help with managing stress. Some studies suggest that compounds in pumpkin seeds may contribute to improved insulin regulation, aiding in blood sugar control. The phytoestrogens in pumpkin seeds may help with symptoms associated with menopause, such as hot flashes and joint pain. Pumpkin seeds also have anti-parasitic properties and contain compounds that have been traditionally used to expel intestinal parasites. Rich in magnesium, phosphorus, and other minerals, pumpkin seeds contribute to maintaining healthy bone density. The antioxidants in pumpkin seeds, including vitamin E, may help protect the skin. So, how can you incorporate pumpkin seeds into your diet? Here are some delicious ways to do so. Enjoy them as a standalone snack. Roast them with olive oil and your favorite spices. Mix them with nuts and dried fruits for a tasty trail mix. Sprinkle them on yogurt or oatmeal for added texture and nutrition. Blend them into your smoothies for a nutty flavor and an extra nutrient boost. Incorporate them into your baking recipes. Sprinkle them on salads for a crunchy texture and nutritional boost. Make seed and dry fruit ladoos for a healthy snack. Add them to your raita for a zesty twist. Incorporate them into your kakra recipe for a crunchy snack. So, as you see that pumpkin seeds are an incredible superfood that can supercharge your health. Remember to consume them in moderation due to their high calorie content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and tricks.